जिंदगी दो पल की.
Flying high on kites is Hrithik Roshan. Now Hrithik, it's almost a 2-year-long shell that you've come out of because of the filming of Kites.
Yes, it's been a long time. 2.5 years of my heart and soul.
And you really go very much into the film. Are you going strongly into the method acting way? Can I say so?
No, yeah, it's just I just do what's required, and I probably am not as my art is still in a growth stage, so I have to give it a lot more time, and I have to be honest with my capabilities. I know how good I can be, and I know how bad I can be in spite of what other people say. I know my strengths and weaknesses, and this is how much time it takes me to sort of, and I can't. I'm very bad at multitasking. You know, if I do one thing, I have to concentrate on that and just make that one thing good. That's what I've followed my whole life. So I really can't, handle the media and then go into the set and do my shot and then go to another set and do another film. I can't do that. So.
And maybe because that's the reason why, because you've only now that you're coming out in the open talking to the media, there have been a lot of speculation, a lot of rumors floated, web flooding with a lot of things about Kite. How do you react to something like that?
That's all right. Sometimes the media tries to instigate you and provoke you to come out there and say something, show your presence and give them interviews and all that. That's one reason, but it's that one section of the media, and sometimes the stuff that they say is so absurd that you don't even need to react, because you know that the people who are reading them have enough intelligence to understand that this is crap. I mean, stuff like Raju Hirani having cut kites and me buying some 10 bungalows around my neighborhood, kisi bhi bungalow ke bahar, they've taken one photograph and chapod that and said he's bought that house. But finally I believe that you can never hide the truth. The truth always comes out, so there's no reason to get instigated or feel less or feel fear.
And finally, crooning to Kites in the Sky, how's the whole experience singing for the film?
Well, they made me do it, and I had to do it because I had to agree with the approach to this film, which was, the brief was that we have to be completely honest with this film.
Kites in the sky.
It's a very simple, straightforward film. We just, took one emotion and followed that emotion right through the film, wherever it took us. If it took us to a point where the character Jay sings for the girl, it had to be his voice. That's how honest we've tried to be in this film.
Soaring together.